Hello and welcome back. Today I have got a pronunciation lesson for you. We are going to be talking about how to pronounce fruits, vegetable and nuts in English. I will divide this video into 3 parts. In this part I am going to share with you 19 different fruits with both pictures and pronunciation. So let's get started. Make sure you repeat after me. I will leave some time for you to practice your pronunciation. Apple, apple. Orange, orange. Banana, banana. Lemon, lemon. Grape, grape. Plum, plum. Kiwi, kiwi. Pear, pear. Strawberry, strawberry. Blueberry, blueberry. Fig, fig. Pomegranate, pomegranate. Pineapple, pineapple. Watermelon, watermelon. Tomato, tomato. Peach, peach. Mango, mango. Cherry, cherry. Apricot, apricot. This video comes to the end. See you in the next lesson.